Hi guys! Rainy afternoon everyone! And today we are going to Papa's graduation ceremony. Dito siya gaganapin guys sa Crimson Hotel dito sa Philinvest City. Ayan, we're on the way. Kasi alas 5 ang graduation nila. So ayan, medyo maulan-ulan na ambon-ambon. Kaya tara na guys, baka malate tayo.
May lingkuranan daw doon.
Tara, doon tayo sa uwan. Waray pa naman.
Para hindi siya makanood ng babae. Kaya kailangan ng malobat niyan. Kahit meron lang ako kunin eh.
Ano ba yung hinahanap mo dyan?
Taking next, Bachelor in Secondary Education.
Tatayo ba sila na forever? Nang matagal? Wow! Parang abot na sa akin ah.
Ceremonial handling or handing over of the college maze by the school registrar to the school president. As the maze has been handed over to the school president, signifies the solemnity and sanctity of these commencement exercises, as well as the official start of the program. May I request our guests, guardians and parents to please rise. Candidates for Master in Business Administration. 26 candidates for Master in Public Administration.
After successfully completing all the requirements as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education and by the power vested on me by the Chairman of the Commission on Higher Education, I hereby compel you graduates for the school year 2024-25. Congratulations, Bachelor.
naglibat na sila baba.
Congratulations, dear graduates. You may now be seated. You are now graduates of Laguna Northwestern College. More so, you are our humble contribution to the community and to the nation.
Distribution of diploma.
At this point, we will move to the awarding of diplomas and hoodie. We will start with the master's program, the hoodie ceremony, and the awarding of diplomas. The donning of hoods confers special recognition upon graduates receiving master's degrees. The academic hood is a symbol of one's commitment to a scholarly life, while modern-day graduates wear robes and caps. Those with masters are donned with hoods to show their continued pursuit of knowledge. In the context of our gathering tonight, each graduate from the master's program will be called upon to the stage.
Tuloy si Sir. Wait lang, hula ka, hindi ka pa ang tinawag.
Professor Mel Bertilio. Quezon, Erica G. Toribio, Loyalty Award. Declare your loyalty to your alma mater. At this point, I'm requesting all graduates to please rise for the Pledge of Loyalty. You may refer to the invitation indicated there. Our Pledge of Loyalty will be led us by Dr. Elsa Iguliran, the Vice President for Administration.
Please raise your right hand and follow me. In gratitude to my alma mater, I do hereby pledge my undivided loyalty to her ideals, promising always uphold her standards and traditions, to endeavor to my duty, to my country and to my people. Whatever I may be, to do the best of all my ability ever. Remembering that in doing, I shall make myself worthy sons or daughter of my alma mater. The Laguna Northwestern College.
Please remain standing for the introduction of the graduates of the Alumni Association. Again, you may refer to the program invitation. I'm inviting Mr. Ralph Tivox Montenero to introduce the graduates of the Alumni Association.
Sa katuparan ng buong husay at walang pag-iimbot ng mga tungkuling nakaatang sa akin. Bilang kasapi ng samahang nagsipagtapos sa Laguna Northwestern College. At ipinapangako kong magiging matapat na nagtatapos sa kolehiyong ito sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Pagnubayan nawa ako ng Diyos.
Together say the LMCA.
papa mo.
Telephone. Ayun o, ayun o. Ayun o. Nasa gilid. Nakaganon. Ganyan.
Ah, nasa gitna pala si papa.
Okay, we're good. Thank you.